Stop wasting hours recording your voice. It's 2026. I don't even use my real voice for these videos anymore. I use 3 AI tools to clone it in seconds, so I can stay in bed while the AI does the talking. Stick around for tool number 3. It's the most realistic one yet. But first, hit subscribe for more AI secrets. Let's get into it. First up is Noiz.ai. Once you've signed in, you'll see this super clean interface. To get started, just click Clone Your Voice. You've got 2 choices here, record live or upload a file. For this demo, I'm uploading a pre-recorded sample of a female voice I've already prepared.
Hey, I'm Varo, student, creator. Let's go.
Now the AI processes that audio to build the clone. I'm naming this one Varo 1 since it's our first tool of the day. Hit save and we're ready. Let's put it to the test. I'm pasting in this script. Instant cloning now requires only a 3-second audio sample to perfectly replicate your vocal identity, including your natural breathing patterns and unique emotional range. Just listen to that.
Instant cloning now requires only a 3-second audio sample to perfectly replicate your vocal identity, including your natural breathing patterns and unique emotional range.
The cloning is seamless, it's fast, and honestly, the quality is incredible. If you're happy with the result, there's a download button right here on the right. You can try this for free, but if you're planning to use this for your full channel, I definitely recommend the paid version for more credits and higher quality.
Next up is fishaudio.ai. Simply sign in to reach the main dashboard. This interface is incredibly clean and powerful. From the side menu, click on Voice Cloning to begin. Fish Audio gives you the option to record live or upload a file. We'll select Upload and use the same female voice sample from our first tool to keep the results consistent. Once uploaded, the AI will begin analyzing the vocal characteristics. Once the analysis is complete, click Continue to Details. This is where you save your custom model. I'm naming this one Varo 2, since this is the second tool in our countdown. After naming it, click Create, and then select Use this voice to open the editor. Now, paste your script into the text area. We'll use this text. Modern tools allow you to clone your voice in English and immediately generate high-fidelity speech in over 140 languages while keeping your original accent and personality. Click Generate Speech. If a pricing page pops up, just close it and head back to the editor. You'll see your audio is already processed and the Generate button is ready to go. It's a simple way to keep using these high-quality features on the free tier. You can toggle between Sample A and Sample B to hear different variations of the clone. You'll also notice your remaining credits displayed here, giving you a clear view of your free usage. If you find yourself needing more credits, definitely check out their paid plans. Give it a try, guys. That wraps up our second tool.
Our third and final tool is Miniax AI. After a quick sign-in, you're greeted with a sleek, modern interface. The best part? You start with 10,000 free credits, which is incredibly generous for a high-end tool like this. To get started, head over to the left-hand menu and click Voice Clone. Just like our previous tools, you can record live or drop a file. We'll upload the same female voice sample to see how Miniax handles it.
A standout feature here is the Remove Background Noise option. I highly recommend toggling this on to ensure your clone is crystal clear. Once ready, click Generate to create the clone. Once the clone is processed, click Confirm. This takes you to the saving page, where I'll name this one Varo 3 to keep our series organized. Now click Use the Voice to head into the text-to-speech editor. Let's put it to the test with this script. Creators are using personalized voice agents to automatically send custom audio messages to every student in their school communities using a digital version of their own voice.
Hit generate and listen to this quality.
Creators are using personalized voice agents to automatically send custom audio messages to every student in their school communities using a digital version of their own voice.
How amazing is that? You can see the remaining credits right here, so you always know how much power you have left. Honestly, guys, all three of these tools are game changers. I definitely recommend trying them out to see which one fits your workflow best.
And there you have it, the 3 best ways to clone your voice for free in 2026. Whether you choose Noiz.ai for its speed, Fish Audio for those incredible emotion tags, or Minimax for its massive credit limit, you really can't go wrong. These free tiers are perfect for testing the waters and getting your first few projects off the ground. However, if you're looking to take your content to that professional, billion-dollar startup level of quality, I highly recommend checking out their paid plans. Not only do you get unlimited credits, but you unlock the highest fidelity rendering and commercial rights that really make a difference for long-form channels. Try all 3. See which one sounds most like you, and let me know in the comments which one won. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools that actually work. I'll see you in the next one.